Hello, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Please click the thumbs up button for me. And I thank you all so much for supporting my channel. I have so many things planned, and I will be doing a video hopefully in the next few days and get it posted as quick as I can about the 200 subscriber giveaway. And I was going to show a few of the items that I have picked out for the giveaway. And right now I have my Boxycharm premium cane today. I was very excited because y'all know July my premium got lost until, well, actually it stayed lost, and Boxycharm had to replace it, and I didn't get it until, well, no, it was June, and I didn't get it until July. And then last month my Ipsies, the Plus and the Ultimate, are both still somewhere. Ipsy says they're moving this way, but I've looked and it looks like they're just sitting still again. They're saying that it looks like they're still moving because it seems like every 3 or 4 days, wherever they're at, they update it to say the exact same thing it said 3 or 4 days earlier. To me, that means it's sitting still, but to them, it's like it'll say arrived at post office, whatever, but it's easy to look at the information and see that it said that 3 or 4 days earlier. It said it 3 or 4 days earlier than that. It said it 3 or 4 days earlier than that, and they're just sitting there. So I'll give it a few days, and if it don't move, I will contact them again because I want the boxes. And y'all probably remember me saying that I'd had the house fire, and how I have a lot of the reason I fell in love with boxes is replacing things, because it is such a cheap way to replace things and get a collection going again, and getting items that you would probably never get otherwise. So I was very happy with this box. In this one I chose the Sunday Riley A+ retinoid serum. I have used a sample of this, but it was such a small sample I couldn't tell you if it actually did anything. I have been using the Sunday Riley, what is it? The one that came in the test tube. I can't think of what the name of it's called. Hold on. This one, the Good Genes. I've been using this, and I like this. I haven't had it long enough to know if it works really good. I wonder if you can. I was wondering too, can you mix the lactic acid, this one and this one? I wonder if you can mix them. They're both Sunday Riley, so I wonder if it does. I haven't read anything on here about not mixing them. Look how pretty. I am a sucker for pretty packaging. Oh, that is pretty. Can you tell? I think it's glass. Look how pretty that is. Really pretty. So there, that was my choice in this box, and this retails for $85. Okay, so I would definitely pay. The way I always figure it is, if there's 1 or 2 items in the box that I would personally buy, then the box was a good box, and that I would definitely pay $35 for that Sunday Riley. I mean, you wouldn't be able to buy it anywhere for $35, but I would definitely pay $35 for it. So I figure the box is a good box, because that more than paid for what the box cost, and everything else to me is a bonus. I know most people don't tend to look at it that way. I've seen so many people get mad if there's just one item in there they didn't like, but I see it like it is a mystery box of sorts, and what one person thinks is a really good box and a really good item, somebody else might, and there's no way for any company to please us all. So I really do think they do the best they can at pleasing us all. They probably could follow our beauty profile a little bit closer, but then again, I mean, it's hard to say, but to me, that more than paid for the box, so I'm happy with anything else, and it was actually a really good box. That, like I said, retails for $85. It's an A+ high dose retinoid serum. Is an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. Love that. Now when I got this, y'all seen, if you just watched, well, I don't know how these are going to go in the order, but I just did a review and I had the little thing and I'm thinking, wow, I got another one. But like I said, I'm not going to complain. Oh, this one's like that would, and it's, yeah, that would be a really good exfoliator for like right before you shave your legs or something. I'll try that. So got that, and that retails for $18. After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. The After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator is a self-exfoliant that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed. Okay, and I didn't even know this was, I haven't really paid attention to the spoilers too much, but I didn't even know the Too Faced setting powder was going to be an option. Look how pretty. I love Too Faced packaging. This is Born This Way ethereal, I know I'm not saying that right, but setting powder, translucent. Very happy to get this. I'm gonna have to, oh, there we go. Oh, look, it's got the little, let's see if I can, it's got a little heart shape. You know, most of them have little round places to get the powder. This one's a heart shaped. How cute is that? And then this side has, let's see if I can do it where you can see. It has the little things that stick out to go inside there to keep it from spilling. Doesn't really smell like much to me. I smell it because, you know, Too Faced are big on making their things have nice smells. But look how pretty that packaging is. These are the kinds of things that even when they're empty, I save the packaging because they're so pretty. I don't know if you can see the design on the top. Yes, I get excited over simple things. I grew up extremely poor, and simple things have always excited me and made me happy. I've never been hard to please. Let's see, that retails for $33. This setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you are born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. Very happy with that. And then, let me get the rest of the stuff and put it up here. And then I got this MAC Amplified cream lipstick in the color Fast Play. As we'll say, I think most of us know the little bullet. Like, that's, look how pretty. Let's see, still got my other swatches on my, there's that, a pretty color, I like that. It has a very faint, I can't place it, is it vanilla? Very faint smell, but it's a nice smell. So there's that, I like that. And let's see, that retails for $19. An ultra creamy lipstick formula with a smooth glide, bold color payoff, full coverage, and a semi-lustrous finish. Again, that retails for $19. And then I actually wanted this a few months ago and didn't get it. So I'm excited to try this. I was really, really hoping for this. This is the Fortifying Lashes by Laura Geller. This is an eyelash primer. And it is in the black, and I heard a lot of people saying they really liked this. And I've tried the white ones before and didn't really like it because you got to be so careful to make sure you cover up any of the white. And I heard some people saying they really liked this in the black. So happy to get that. And that retails for $24. They're creator of Spackle and expert in primers, introduces the newest innovation in priming your lashes. Unlike other white-colored lash primers, this black-tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone for a natural lash look. I didn't know Laura Geller is the creator of Spackle. I like using some of her things. I'll have to research that. I don't know. I don't research a lot on who does what. I just know what I like. And then I got this, and I didn't, like I said, I did not do a lot of research into spoilers. I've been so busy working on my channel and trying to make it a success and researching different things on editing that I have not spent any time looking at spoilers. And I really do want to eventually add spoilers, but right now I'm trying to get all the other things figured out. So there's the front of that. And this says, let's see, Ciate London New England Editor Palette. Inspired by New England in the fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richly pigmented autumn hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. This retails for $32. And look at those pretty colors. Look at that. That's nice. So let me see if I can find a place on my arm. Ooh, that gold's really pretty. Let me find some colors to swatch for you. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me find some place on my skin that I haven't swatched already. Let's see. Okay. That one don't really show, but it's still good. Ooh, look at that. Look at those colors. Look, I like that one. Look how pretty. Let's see. Let me find some matte here. So let's see. There's that one. So there's, oh, that's pretty. It's a matte peach color. So there is that. very pretty colors. That's the one right here that I did that I said was so pretty. So there's that, and of course it comes with a huge mirror. So very nice palette. So in a $35 box we got this, which is valued, that's $32. Got the Eyelash Primer, valued at $24. The MAC Cream Lipstick, valued at $19. The exfoliating slip-on exfoliator thing, valued at $18. The Born This Way Too Faced, valued at $33. And the A Plus, valued at $85. I would say that is a really good box. And some things, I know people say that a lot of things you can buy on sale, but I have very seldom ever seen their Too Faced Born This Way stuff. I've very seldom ever seen them mark that down. I very seldom ever see Sunday Riley stuff on sale. I've actually never seen that palette. So I can't speak for the other stuff because I don't know. I know MAC is a really good brand, but as far as their lipsticks being on sale, I couldn't say, because bullet top lipstick is not really my favorite, but I do like that. So that is what I got for my Boxycharm Premium. Very, very happy with that box, and I think that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And until next time, love you guys. Bye bye.